Hey Internet, what's up guys? I'm going to show you how to download any streaming movie or video on your computer. You're going to need Firefox to do this. You can do this in any operating system, but you're going to need Firefox. I have a lower version of Firefox, so your Firefox might look a little different than mine. Um, but basically what you're going to need is an add-on called Download Helper, or Download Video Helper, I think it was originally called. We shortened it. Go to your add-ons and type in here download video helper. I've already installed it. It looks like this. It's pretty much you can download any video or images or MP3s that are streaming. So type that in here, it'll come up, install it, it'll ask you to restart, do so. And once you restart, you should have an icon like this. And you can go to YouTube or whatever popular website you want to. Then you can download this like any movie. There's a lot of ads on these movies, so it's better just to download it and then watch it. Watch it later, And you can download it in MP4 format or FLV, which is flash video. It's not the best quality, but the MP4 would be the DVD quality. And it's fine for watching on your smaller devices or, whichever. So you just click on it and then it'll start downloading. You see I already downloaded a couple of movies off of here. Let's open one of them up. Show you it works. So that's how you download any movie. Enjoy. Alright guys, peace out.